Okay, from the Elementor editor, to save a block or duplicate it, you first must roll over that block so the section tab will show. You will right click the edit section, right click. You can duplicate or save as a template. Saving it as a template will allow you to have access to it on any other page or place on the site so you can input it. So save as a template, name your template, and then click save, and then it'll be available. Now, the next problem is in this block, your click here link isn't set correctly. Its target is set to be the same frame. So when someone clicks the click here link, it's going to replace the site. So you left click on the pen icon, click on your link, click the edit pencil. You have to go and click the link options by left clicking the gear and open link in a new tab. I can say this again. Any link that goes off of the website, you must open that link in a new tab. Click update again, and done.